Mix, Asia's creative meetings magazine, has been a trailblazer in the MICE industry since 2007. Mix's bright, breezy style with lively reporting of the latest happenings among event creators, conference planners, incentive travel organizers, hotels, venues, and suppliers has been emulated but never surpassed. Delivering the stories that matter to the business events industry with ideas on how you and your teams can create better events and navigate the changing trends across the meetings, incentive travel, conferences, and business events industry. From our home in Hong Kong, we are enviably placed in a city that's the regional gateway to China, with a fantastic future as the vibrant East meets West metropolis of China's Greater Bay Area. To help you grow your audience in the Asia Pacific through our promotional channels, contact us today.